I study RNA viruses and their pathogenesis, or how they cause disease. I'm specifically interested in SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID. I recently discovered that SARS-CoV-2 generates circular RNA molecules, which are little chunks of its genome, and I'm trying to figure out what they do and how they contribute to how the virus interacts with our cells. I was first inspired to study viruses when I learned that a family member was HIV positive when I was in high school. I knew nothing about how viruses worked. I just knew that that was a bad thing. And so I started to do my own research, kind of learning everything that I could about HIV. Eventually that led me to get a master's studying HIV with my research in cell and molecular biology. And 10 years later, I've studied many different viruses other than HIV, and it brought me here to Stanford to keep exploring what many different viruses can do. Hi, my name is Elysse Grossi-Soyster, and I'm a PhD candidate in the Microbiology and Immunology department here at Stanford, and I grew up in the Bay Area. A highlight of my time here at Stanford was when I was able to build my own course and teach it for the School of Medicine. That course was on the stigmas associated with certain viral infections within the queer community. So we talked about virology and also cultural aspects of how these viruses have long-lasting stigmas in our community. The advice I have for students considering applying to graduate programs at Stanford is to just be yourself as much as you can on your application. When I was applying, I wrote my essays about how I'm a queer, non-binary, punk rock scientist, and that's just who I am in the lab and outside the lab. And lucky for me, Stanford wanted more of that.